Hello friends, and welcome back to a new update video on Safuu and the price prediction and where I see Safuu going in the future as well. So if you haven't checked out a previous Safuu video, make sure to do so because it will help you out and know that we stated in our previous videos the support levels and resistance that we had before, and also indicating where I see price heading in the future. So let's take a look, guys. Okay, so we can see here from the previous video, I stated that there was a heavy resistance at 196. Okay, where we saw price, wick up there several times, but never closing there. Okay, we saw that there's a level of support at 171 because we see price coming back down here, retesting it several times. Okay, which was indicating this was a heavy support level. We also see levels of imbalance here where the bullish momentum occurred at these levels here. Okay, so we saw the momentum occurring at 172 as well, and once we went up there, we retested back to fill in the imbalance that we had on April 9th. Okay, but man, I am so excited to do this video because take a look here. We respected the levels here, as you can see, at 180, where for several hours we were testing these levels before seeing this big imbalance happen. Okay, now take a look here, guys. We saw look what happened once we tested back the levels of resistance here. Okay, so this is the from the previous video. We saw that once the price retested back here, there was an order block here. Okay, so this is a double top, as you can see here. And usually once that happens, look what happened here, guys. Okay, so we can see that overall we came back a retracement back at the levels of resistance that we had on April 11th. Okay, indicating that this this is a break and a recess. Okay, at the levels, since we had a high level of resistance at 196, we saw that when price came back to these levels here, we saw several wicks here, guys. Okay, so let's take a look here. We can see that price at these levels, never closed there. Okay, we see a lot of wicks happening at these levels, indicating that price can continue to the uptrend. Okay, to the upside as well. You can see that price is closing down there several times, but never going back down here. Okay, we can see several wicks happening at these levels once, twice, three times, four times. Okay, indicating this is a heavy support now for Safuu, which is great. Okay, guys, you can see here, and then look what happened overall. We retested back the levels of support that we've created before. As you can see here from our previous video, we created this level of support and a resistance that we had before. And look what happened once it broke out of it, retested back at the recent resistance that we had before, and then before continuing to the upside. Okay, this is very good. Okay, this I'm very excited for Safuu's future. I can't wait to see what they have and plan in the future as well. But just keep in mind, let's be cautious now. Okay, we are up about 5% now for the 24 hours, up about $10 as well. So please, be cautious. Okay, we had this level created here. We can see another indication as well. So this is another thing. We saw that when price wicked up there, we were still on the uptrend. Okay, we were respecting these levels of uptrend, and also once we broke this level here, we never closed there. Okay, indicating this price wants to continue on the uptrend. But also keep in mind that we created a level of support for Safuu as well at the 196 now. Okay, we created a level there where we see price filling in the gaps. Okay, coming back down here, creating a double bottom here, and price is currently at a 202. Okay, so this is very nice, but just be cautious, guys. Okay, we take a look here at Safuu at 202 and think, wow, this is a great entry. I want to get into it. I know Safuu is a protocol where you can every 15 minutes you can compound, rebase your amount and your profits and everything. But let's be smart. Okay, why do we look at these prices here at about 155 and think, no, I will wait, this is not a good entry for me. Okay, we need to take advantage once price is down there. Okay, we need to take advantage when price is at 140, when price is very low here at 147, not when price is indicating that there's a strong reversal, which is a good thing. Okay, but let's let Safuu cool down a little bit. It might not cool down, it might continue to the upside, as you can see here, 203. But I would love for price to also come back at 196. And since we are seeing a lot of momentum happening for Safuu here, I would love for price to come back at the levels of 196, and then give us a better indication that it's a triple bottom now, and price doesn't want to close down here. I want to see price create a support there for several days, hopefully. And as you can see here before on April 14th, I want to see price wicking down here several times, where we saw price go up there and come back to a level of support where price never closed there. Okay, so I want to see the same thing happening. Safuu might leave without us, come back to these levels here, but I want to see price come back down here since we haven't saw any wicks and I want to see a little bit of a cool down happen for Safuu, come back to the levels of 196, reject that level for several times so we can know that this level is very crucial now. And also, if Safeu breaks out of our levels of support here at 196, just keep in mind that 189, 190 is still very crucial. And since we know that this level was tested several times before, and as you can see, a lot of rejection at these levels. So if Safeu does cool down a little bit, come back down to 180, 190, where we saw a lot of rejection happening, I still believe this is a great entry if you're in this play for the long term and you're in Safeu for a long term as well. Because I do still believe in Safeu a lot, and I like that project so much. So if you want to get into a perfect timing for Safeu, it's tough to know where price is going to head to. But I still believe this level of support at 190 is very crucial since we had a lot of imbalance here at these levels. And I want to see Safeu cool down a little bit, come back to these levels here at 188, and hopefully create a better resistance and a resistance level at the because right now we have a resistance at about 202. So I want to see Safeu cool down a little bit. Okay, come back to the levels of support as I stated before, 188, and hopefully respect that level before we continue to the upside. And hope you guys like these types of analysis and the video. Stay updated to the next one that I will do, because hopefully we see price continue to the upside, but hopefully also coming back to the levels of support that we've created. Hope you guys liked the video and found value, and I hope to see you on the next one. Take care and stay blessed.